Welcome to this channel, traders. Most of you keep asking about this RSI and MACD strategy that I shared previously on this channel. So today I want to explain in more details. Most of you are asking about the zoom levels and that the RSI is repainting and stuff. Let me just go through that today so that we are all on the same page, guys. The thing is, before you can place each and every trade, as you can see right here, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. It's not a matter of just observing what is happening on the RSI and on the MACD and then placing a trade. Maybe I made it sound too simple the last time. So today I just want to go into deeper details. It's not an easy thing, guys. There are quite several things that you need to observe. Don't take it lightly. The first thing that you need to observe is the direction of the market. Before you can place any trade, you need to observe the direction of the market. And for that, usually I use the RSI to help me with that. And notice that I am currently on the hourly time frame right there. That's the time frame that I usually use. I may have used maybe the 15-minute in the previous video, or maybe the 5-minute in the previous video, but another good time frame is the hourly. You can do it on the 5-minute or the hourly time frame. It's good in this too. So the first thing that you need to be very sure about is the direction of the market. And to do that, before you can observe what is happening right here, you just want to go to the daily time frame. Okay, now I'm telling you what I do. You just want to go to the daily time frame, zoom out to the first zoom level and check the direction of the market right here. You want to know, is it on an uptrend or on a downtrend? Right now you can see that it is on a downtrend. And another thing, if it is on the downtrend, like you can see right here, you want to know whereabout on the downtrend. You know that price can be moving like this, and if you are to find entries, you are to find entries at these points. So price has to be on one of those peaks for you to find a sell trade. So for that, you can see that right there, price is from one of those peaks. So it was a good time to find a sell. Okay, and you can even see on the MACD down there that price is now heading downwards. You can see that the MACD is beginning to form a histogram on the lower part of zero or below the zero level. That is what you do on the daily time frame, just to check. I don't have much to say on the daily time frame. You come here just to check what is happening on the price direction. Once you have done that, you go back to your hourly time frame. When you get to the hourly time frame, remember the RSI. The RSI helps us in identifying the direction of the market at that time, especially the momentum, because if you want to sell, you want to make sure that price has been overbought or price is from the 90 level on your RSI. Maybe let me just use a simpler example for this one. Let's just pick, let me check this one. Okay, this one will be easier to explain. You want to make sure that price here has been overbought, as you can see right there. And to confirm that, I said in one of my old videos that you can move this thing back and forth to see if it is not moving away from the 90 level. You can see that it is not moving away. Okay, and then second thing, remember what I said on the first video. You want to make sure that you enter price right at such pullbacks. And we said that to identify those pullbacks, you use the MACD. you use the MACD. Let me just show you, maybe for those who didn't watch that previous video. Let's say price is on a downtrend like this. If price is on a downtrend, each time it is making this pullback, you are going to see the MACD coming above the zero level. And once the MACD is coming back or below the zero level again there, you know that it is somewhere here. Price is beginning to drop again. So that is what you do on the MACD. You want to wait for the MACD to come and begin to be below the zero level, as you can see right there. So right here, you can go ahead and take your sell trade somewhere here where the MACD is beginning to move beyond the zero level. Okay, so it is like that, and you can see that it is where I entered the sell trade. And another thing that is worth noting, right there I was explaining the entry point, how you find your entries. You have to go to the lower time frame and check the RSI and also check what is happening on the MACD. Now, the last thing that you need to know in Forex is number 3, this one. This one is very important, and most traders have not started applying it. The momentum. You want to place a trade when the market is moving. I've explained that in several of my previous videos, titled Time Cheat Sheet. You want to make sure that price is moving when you place the trade. And for me, I usually place trades during the London session. And please, if you are using your mobile phone, you want to make sure that you have your RSI, your trading view, you have your trading view set up on your phone. For me, let me just show you. I can just come here and open my trading view. This is on my mobile phone, guys. You don't need to have a computer for you to have this. And right on my phone, I can tell that USD JPY is now in the New York session. We have just come out of the London session. Okay, we have come out of the London session. Now we are on the New York session. Usually I trade during the London session because it is where most pairs move. That is the blue box. The blue box, that is where I trade. And please, if you want to have more information about these sessions, check my videos titled the Time Cheat Sheet. Okay, so bottom line, you need to have your trading view set up on your mobile phone so that you are able to identify the right times to trade. You want to trade when price is in the moving momentum. If you are selling, price has to be on a downward momentum so that it doesn't move up and down a lot. It helps you to find snipper entries because you enter a trade when price is moving directly in one direction. For those who do not have the settings of these indicators, you can check my previous video, or let me just show you. You have the RSI. The RSI has these levels: 91, 90, 80, 0, 20, 10, 9. If you want to set it up, you can check the previous video. Okay, done. You also have on the RSI that moving envelope. The moving envelopes inside the RSI is period 1, deviation 0, shift 0. Just copy that, and then the MACD is just the default one. So for the zoom level, you can just zoom out to the smallest point, and to check if it's not repainting, just move it back and forth. If it's not repainting, it is not going to move away from the 90 level when you do this. So it's like that, guys. Keep practicing this thing and be flexible in the market. Study the sessions, enter at the right time. You are definitely going to master these things. It might take time, but in the process of time, you are going to be able to master it. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you the best.